Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. It's the other host Jack, and welcome back. Today we are going to be making some 15-minute garlic butter chicken. It's going to come out pretty good. We're going to saute it in the pan. We're going to use olive oil, we're going to use garlic, we're going to use butter, maybe some barbecue seasonings that you normally use on barbecue. But we're going to get into all of that. So let's go ahead and start looking at what we need. Alright, so everything here is a little bit spread out because, you know, raw chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts that actually split into 4 long pieces. I have 1 bushel or bunch of cilantro that I chopped up. I have 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and I have some seasoning off the side, but we'll get to that here in a second. Alright, so we have our chicken breast. We need to go ahead and season it. I have my typical barbecue seasoning I'm going to use with my garlic, onion powder, chili powder, and my Williams rib particular for pork and chicken. So let's go ahead and just toss the chicken in the seasoning, and we're going to add it straight to the frying pan. I have it off to the side. I already have a little bit of olive oil in it. I need to turn the heat down. I don't want the bubble or start popping. Make sure it's evenly coated, and just add it to the pan. Go ahead and do this with all 4 pieces. Here's our chicken already sizzling. I already flipped it, but you're supposed to let it sit about 4 minutes per side, but your mileage may vary. Alright, so once again, just checking in on the chicken, continuously flipping it every 4 minutes. So you need to give each side a decent amount of cook time. So about 4 minutes, I think I mentioned that earlier, it's a good amount of time to give each side. Alright, so our chicken's been cooking for about 16 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take it off and put it in a separate pan for now, just to store it. Well, there goes all that seasoning bits. We're going to turn the heat down to low, and we're going to put in our butter. And just get the butter to melt in. Get this little piece of chicken out of there as well. Alright, our butter is melted, so now we can go ahead and start adding in our vegetables. And add in our crushed red pepper flakes. I don't know if I mentioned these earlier at the beginning. And saute them. You don't need to saute them for long. You can maybe just 2 or 3 minutes, and then you can add the chicken back in. Alright, our veggies have sauteed for about 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and re-add the chicken back to it. And cook it for about another 2 minutes. And if you have one, I don't tend to have one on here, but use like a small spoon to scoop up the materials and put it on there. But I don't unfortunately have one, but I'll make it work somehow or another. Okay, so it turns out simply just tossing the chicken is good enough to get the garlic and the cilantro to stick to it. Just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's for the most part done. You just let it simmer or turn it off now since it's finished. And you can serve this by itself. You can serve it with some rice or pasta on the side. Maybe one day I'll do a full size dinner with this. You can add more chicken if you want. I just went with 2 pieces because I only really need this for myself. It's also really cheap. Easily, I think that altogether this was under $7 just for this. It might even be under $6. The garlic was 40 cents. The cilantro was like 80 cents. And then the chicken for 4 slices of chicken was $7 and some change, but on these two. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Alright, yeah, so there you have it. The 15-minute garlicky butter chicken breast is really easy to make. Just gotta be patient with the chicken. Just gotta make sure it's cooked all the way through. 165 Fahrenheit is the safe temperature for chicken, in case you didn't know for some reason. But yeah, thanks for watching. You can catch us here on Tuesdays and Fridays, and other days too. Apparently I'm starting to get more into the uploading thing. You can catch us on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, and on Instagram at Living Between, I believe. Yeah, I live in between. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.